Yo, this DJ Battery from Battery Devil here, and I'm going to do another separate review. Some of these toys, I have had batteries in for a while, but this one, we're working on this one because, you know, it's sound activated. And then they're going to be collection reviews, and then, but yeah, let's turn them on. I'm going to unzip his pouch. Now, I will take the pouch out because I don't want to go through all this zippering and unzippering to turn it off and on. But as you can see, it's a bird. It takes 3 AA batteries, and it's sound activated. When you turn it on, it's going to go off. And when I say it's sound activated, because watch. It's not motion activated, but it's not really motion activated. Because see when it... shut up. Okay. But yeah, that's the battery compartment. It's the only animatronic I have with a wired battery compartment. Subscribe and have a nice day.